You finish the essay. 3 days later, an email arrives. Your paper has been flagged as AI generated. 87%. The problem? You wrote every word yourself. No ChatGPT. No AI. Just you. Some teachers say AI writing is obvious. You'll always get caught. Others say AI is undetectable. You're safe. Both positions are arguing about the page, and the page is the wrong thing to look at. AI didn't break homework. It put a gap between the work and the person who handed it in. And teachers don't detect AI. They detect the gap. Most detectors look for patterns in writing, predictability, sentence structure, word choice, a concept researchers call perplexity. The lower the perplexity, the more predictable the writing appears. Here's where it gets sharp. The exact habits teachers spend years encouraging can make your writing look more predictable. Clear sentences, consistent structure, strong grammar. The detector can end up punishing the writing habits school rewards. Human writing gets flagged. AI writing slips through. It fails in both directions. In one 2023 study out of Stanford, researchers ran 7 AI detectors on essays by non-native English speakers. More than 6 in 10 were flagged as AI generated. Every essay was human written. The detectors weren't finding AI. They were finding patterns they thought looked like AI. That's a different thing. People assume teachers catch AI because software tells them to. But listen to how teachers describe their first suspicion. It's rarely, "This looks like AI." It's something more like, "This looks very good for this student." The teacher isn't detecting AI. They're detecting a mismatch, a gap between the essay and the student. The paper suddenly uses vocabulary you've never used before. The quality jumps a level from last month's submission. You reference ideas that were never discussed in class. You struggle to explain sections of your own work. The Google Doc shows almost no version history. The in-class writing sample looks nothing like the take-home submission. None of these prove AI use, but several together create a pattern. The detector reads the page. The teacher reads you. The software sees a document. The teacher sees months of assignments, discussions, quizzes, writing samples. The detector asks, "Does this resemble AI?" The teacher asks, "Does this resemble this student?" Those are very different questions. Picture 2 students. Both submit essays that earn an A. Both polished. Both answer the prompt. From the page, they look identical, but only one can explain the argument without the paper in front of them. Only one can answer follow-up questions. Only one can connect the ideas to something from 3 weeks ago. The essays match. The understanding doesn't. That gap should sound familiar. Last video, it was the whole story of AI in education. That's why more schools are quietly moving toward oral defenses, draft history, in-class writing. Not because AI exists, because once AI can generate the work alone stops telling the whole story. There's a line worth keeping in mind here. Using AI to think versus using AI instead of thinking. A student who thought with AI can close the gap on demand. A student who thought instead of it can't. The essay looks the same either way. The conversation doesn't. So can teachers actually tell if you used AI? That's the wrong place to look. The detector reads the page. The teacher reads you. The question was never, can they tell? It's, could you walk someone through how you got here? Or could you only hand them the result? Have you been wrongly flagged for something you actually wrote? Or seen it happen and wondered whether the system actually works? Drop what happened below. And in the next video, the quiet cost of letting AI do the thinking for you. What fades when you stop using it?